Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make baklava, a delightful pastry. First, ensure you have fresh phyllo dough, a variety of nuts such as walnuts or pistachios, and plenty of butter. We'll start by preparing the nut filling, finely chopping your chosen nuts and mixing them with spices. Then, we'll discuss how to properly layer the delicate phyllo sheets to create that signature crisp texture. Get ready to bake a truly impressive dessert. Now let's get to the heart of baklava, the layering. You'll need about 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough, lay it flat and brush it generously with butter. Repeat this for several layers, typically 3 to 4, before adding your nut mixture. Spread about 1/4 cup of the spiced nuts evenly over the buttered phyllo. Continue this process, alternating phyllo layers with nuts until all ingredients are used. Once all your layers are assembled, it's time to cut the baklava before baking. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice the entire pan into traditional diamond or square shapes. This helps the syrup penetrate every piece evenly. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown and is wonderfully crispy. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. The final and arguably most important step is adding the sweet syrup. While your baklava bakes, prepare a simple syrup using 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 cups of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. Once the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately pour the cool syrup over the hot pastry. This creates that irresistible, syrupy goodness. Let it sit for several hours or even overnight to fully absorb. For more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Garnish with chopped pistachios and enjoy your homemade baklava.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.